Hey everyone, so for those of you who don't know me, my name is Shay Antonin and I am an international beauty guide for Limelight Falcone. It is a professional makeup line and they've paired it with an all-natural skincare line made with organic ingredients and I'm absolutely in love with it. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the July subscription box. This subscription box just launched last month and it has totally sold out. It's gone crazy. They have put a limit now, so there is only 2,000 new subscribers every month at the beginning, the first Wednesday of every month. So if you want to get your hands on one of these and get subscribed, get in contact with me because right now there's definitely a lot of demand and it's a little tricky to get in on this. So this is the subscription box. It's going to be delivered monthly to your doorstep. You can pause it at any time. There is going to be an added bonus golden box for those people who subscribe 6 consecutive months in a row. And what we've got in here is they're going to have a combination of like some cards, a nice little kind of like a business card that always has a nice little saying on it. This one, they have a card in here this month showing the starter kit. So if you'd love to join my team and learn more about pro makeup tips, we have an amazing group of girls, professional makeup artists that do trainings with us and stuff. And the starter kit is really awesome. It's massive, quite frankly. And then they have a card here that shows you what it is you have received in this month's box and kind of gives you like a little breakdown. So, holy man. Okay, so in Canadian dollars, the subscription box is $57 Canadian at $30 US, and you're going to be receiving $65 to $125 worth Canadian in your box. So this month, you definitely got a good amount's worth of products in here. You are receiving in this month's box, if you've already subscribed, First Brace Primer Spray. So this is a travel size, but the full size one is right here. So there's your difference. The full size one's $44 Canadian. The primer spray is non-condigenic, so it's not going to clog your pores, cause additional breakouts. It's silicone free, so there's not that slimy, slippery product. Super lightweight. It is a vitamin-based spray that is made with aloe, so it's going to help calm your skin. It's going to help reduce redness over time. It's going to help with if you have large pores and just stop your makeup from settling into any fine lines that you might have. So the primer spray is definitely one of my must-have products if you are at all a makeup girl. Really nice product. So that's a nice travel size. This would last you quite a while for sure. The full size one probably lasts me like a good 9 months, I want to say. You also get a travel size Dew Date. So the Dew Date is a Primrose and sunflower oil blend. It is good for all skin types. It is a blend of vegetable and essential oils. It's going to help reduce inflammation. It helps promote healthy skin regeneration. So very nice product. I really like to put this on, especially in the summertime if you like more of a dewy finish with your foundation. I like to put this on before using the Limelight foundation actually, and it just gives a really nice glow on your skin. And last but not least, I can't believe this is in here, the Eye-R-Eyes. The Eye-R-Eyes is amazing. I love how it feels on my under eye. It has a nice cooling ceramic tip. I'm going to show you guys right here my current one. So it's this nice ceramic tip that somehow magically just stays nice and cool feeling. The Eye-R-Eyes serum is naturally derived yet highly effective ingredient to help fight the signs of aging around the eye area. It has aspen bark, which gently exfoliates the dead skin cells, Well, naturally occurring heptide 11 and carbob gum reduces fine lines, age spots, and the appearance of dark under eye circles. The cooling ceramic tip applicator instantly reduces puffiness and freshens the skin. This is $98 Canadian. You're getting the full-size product in here. $86 US, so definitely a really awesome box this month. I'm super impressed with this one. If you have any questions, always feel free to get in contact with me. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And that's it for today. Everybody have an amazing day. Thanks.